I feel like I'm one of the last ones, you know. I feel like I have a terrible immune system. I get sick constantly, but I still have faith in my body to like be able to endure the virus.
Let me ask you this. Here's a little bit of topical news for you. You know, it came out today. First round of vaccine testing is happening. You know, the U.S. government's put like $1 billion into like fast tracking a vaccine. So now we're in the first round of testing, and 30,000 psychopaths have like signed up to do this test. And you know, listen, they're kind of like American heroes. They're going on the front lines, checking this shit out, seeing if it actually works. On the other hand,
oh, you're about to diss the guinea pigs,
I don't know, dude. I don't know if I would do it.
Piggies,
I don't know if I would do it. That's all I'm saying. Listen, dude, I ain't one of these like anti-maskers, but bro, I don't know if I would line up for that shit. Fuck that. They're rushing the shit out of that vaccine so he can get it done. It's a clock before like the election. If he could get a vaccine before then maybe that'll salvage like his whole thing, you know? But fuck that, dude. I don't know if I would be on the front line of that, but I was reading this AP News article about it, though. It actually made me sad because the people talking about it, of course, you know, they interview like 3 of the best stories that they could find, right? But like people who are like, you know, my family's in... members of my family are like first responders and like medical people, so I want to do all I can, and I'm like, I respect that. And then some people are just, all they do is watch Nick at Night, and they're like, I'm ready to die, so they're like, I'll try this vaccine, like go for it. I don't know where I stand.
God bless them, dude. God bless them.
Hey, dude, respect.
That's a very self-aware person. That's like, this could be my contribution to humanity, because I'm just gonna sit here and watch old reruns of Cheers. Yeah.
What do I got to lose?
You know what?
You know?
Pump that shit in my veins, dude. Let's see what happens.
Pump that shit up, nurse. You know? Pump it into me. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the side effects are. I don't think anyone actually does. Who the fuck knows what's in it? They just mix that shit with... They just mix some like toilet bowl cleaner with like Coke Zero. Just like, here you go. Here you go, you fucking fat pigs. Line up. Let's try this shit.
Toilet bowl cleaner, Coke Zero, and a dash of ketamine. Yeah. Everyone's like, all right.
And they'll legalize this, and they're like, still weed's illegal. They're like, no, you're gonna get this little ketamine.
That's what
mixer.
It'll be. It'll just be like a recreational drug. It'll be like, hey, it didn't work as a vaccine, but it will get you fucked up with the calories.
It was just as good as like scissor. So, you know, was it a waste? I don't know. Did 80% of the people tested die within a month? Yeah, but listen, this drug's fucking sick as hell, man.
I need a clarification. Did you say it's just as good as scissor or just as good as scissoring?
Scissor. You know, like grape soda mixed with like cough medicine and shit.
Yeah, dude, some dirty Sprite.
Yeah. No, lean is the correct term.
I thought you were saying scissoring. You're like, turns out it's as good as scissoring.
It might be as good as scissoring. It's
completely different.
It might be. I don't know. Maybe this is just like more bullshit. Maybe this is just inventing some new drug. The government invents a new drug to like put into like the most susceptible class of people. I don't know.
Yeah, dude.
No one actually knows.
I think they should. How many people do you think? Okay. So how many people do you think, if they had this clinical trial, I'm sure they're incentivizing them some way other than just like saving humanity. How many people do you think would come out of the woodwork to be a part of this study if they promised them like 3 bottles of like
Mountain Dew?
Promethazine.
Dude, it would be unparalleled. Like they couldn't test enough people. Like it would be. Well, here's the thing: they need to test for this to be effective. I was reading they have to test basically 30,000 people a month. So at a certain point, they're gonna run out. Like between the anti-vaxxers and people who can't be bothered to deal with this, they're gonna get to a point. They're gonna be like, all right, listen, guys, we'll let you test this and fentanyl. We'll loop in. We'll let you have a little bit of both. Please come in. Our nation's crumbling. There's no economy. We need to do something. Just take heroin. I don't care. Whatever. Just try this one too, please. I don't know.
There we go.
Let's see what level of desperation this takes us to.
Yeah, dude. I don't think you're wrong. I don't think you're wrong, man. I don't think we want to see the test subjects. I think we're gonna be like, ooh. Yeah. It makes sense now.
Yeah, they're gonna find out. They're like, hey, turns out fentanyl actually kills coronavirus. It's the only known cure. I I don't know what to do about it. Like Dr. Fauci's like on a podium. He's like, it's fentanyl is the answer. I don't want to say this. It turned out to be the answer. It kills everything in its track. We don't know what to do. Kristen Bell, Dax Shepard moved to like North Bergen, New Jersey. Like this is the safest place. I don't know.
Oh, it got much worse when we stopped recording.